Nutmeg is an enjoyable spice that is often consumed grounded up rather than in whole seed varieties. It is often added to recipes to enhance its flavor, but is now starting to be recognized more for its incredible health-promoting abilities and potent compounds that it contains that can prevent certain diseases. 1 to 2 teaspoons of nutmeg daily is more than enough to obtain these health benefits. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming nutmeg regularly. First, nutmeg is an incredibly powerful antioxidant powerhouse. It is loaded with numerous antioxidants that can promote our overall health in many different ways, from reducing inflammation, eliminating free radicals, boosting the immune system, and preventing chronic diseases. Nutmeg contains potent antioxidants such as cyanidins, phenylpropanoids, phenol compounds, caffeic acids, and many others. Nutmeg can also help to naturally reduce inflammation throughout our entire body, even chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation can have serious health consequences for our health over time and can lead to many different types of disease. Its anti-inflammatory abilities are often attributed to its potent cyanidins and phenolic compounds, which have tremendous anti-inflammatory properties. This can help to treat joint pain, stiffness, and swelling. Consuming nutmeg regularly can also help to improve the overall health of our heart and reduce many risk factors associated with heart disease. The high amounts of antioxidants are important since they can help to reduce free radicals, oxidative stress, and inflammation, all of which can damage and compromise the cardiovascular system and lead to heart-related ailments. Even more, nutmeg can help to reduce and regulate high cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the body. It can also help to boost our immunity naturally and improve the overall functioning of our immune system, which can reduce unwanted disease, such as the common cold and flu. This is often attributed to the potent antibacterial properties that nutmeg has, which can reduce bad bacteria in the gut and other areas of the body. Nutmeg can be especially helpful at preventing gum disease and gum inflammation in the mouth. Lastly, when consumed regularly, nutmeg may be able to help improve blood sugar control in the body. This can have positive effects and benefits for those individuals with diabetes or those who are at risk of developing the disease. Studies have shown that nutmeg can actually significantly reduce blood sugar levels when consumed regularly. Nutmeg can also help to improve and enhance the overall function of the pancreas. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.